Nightmare mother-in-law ruined our holiday, and my spineless husband refused to stand up to her. I endured their mistreatment afterwards for too long, but then one day I finally snapped. I was ready for the perfect getaway, but instead, I found my mother-in-law at the airport, thanks to my lying husband. So my husband John and I had been planning this dream vacation abroad for months. I worked overtime, skipped out on dinners with friends, and saved up every spare dollar. It was supposed to be just the two of us. But there was one problem. My mother-in-law Susan. She's never liked me, and she loves to undermine me. She always copies my outfits, criticizes everything I do, and makes snide remarks at family gatherings. When she found out about the trip, she immediately started demanding to come with us. I said no politely at first, but then more firmly after she threw tantrums and threatened to disown my husband if he didn't include her. After